Hello my dear students and welcome to Zenith Academy Online. Today we are solving the Home Science 2024 paper for ICSE. Okay, for ICSE Class 10 students we are doing Home Science 2024 paper, and in this video we are doing Section A Question 1. So let's begin. So section A question 1 is always a multiple choice question. You have to choose the correct answers to the questions from the given options. So I have taken all these questions from this particular book. I have given you the link of this book as well in the description box. You can go ahead and check that out. Now the best part of this book is in this even the MCQs are there with the explanations. Okay, why that option is correct, that explanation is also given there. Okay, so I'll give you the explanation of few of the questions, but we will quickly start with MCQs. Let's start with the first question. A wise guide to have an overall view of family income and expenses is it insurance policy, budgeting, bank account, or saving? So keep on writing the answers in the comment section. The correct answer is budgeting. Now here in this book they have given you an explanation. A budget is a financial plan that tracks the income, that is money coming in, and expenses, that is money going out. It helps the individual to understand exactly where the money is going, allowing one to make informed decisions about the spending. So that is why it is a wise guide. Let's go ahead. Now I'll only give you the answers. The explanations are there in this book, so you can go ahead and have a look. Now, a work triangle is necessary to improve the dash of the kitchen. What is it, my dear students? Is it ventilation, functionality, size, or aspect? Yes, it is functionality. I'll just quickly read the explanation. The work triangle is a concept used in kitchen design to optimize the efficiency and functionality of the space. It refers to the imaginary triangle formed by the three primary work areas in a kitchen: the stove, the sink, and the refrigerator. Let's go ahead. A significant stage or an event in the development of an individual. Is it heredity, growth, puberty, or milestone? The answer is milestone. Each significant stage is known as a milestone. So milestone refers to a significant event or stage that marks progress in a person's development. It can encompass various aspects of growth, including physical, cognitive, social, and emotional development. The areas of cognitive development of a 13-year child focuses on: is it ideas and cause of effect, is it logical thinking, symbolic words, or object permanence? So for a 13-year-old it is logical thinking, because at the age of 13 children are typically in the early stages of adolescence and their cognitive development is characterized by refinement and advancement of various mental processes. So logical thinking reflects the advancing cognitive abilities that are characteristics of adolescence and aligns more closely with the cognitive challenges and achievements experienced by children of this age. Now, this is a very important question. Pull or strip kitchens are: 1. Where work centers are placed in a row. 2. Where counters are on both sides. 3. No work triangles really exist. And 4. 3 work centers are on adjacent wall. Okay, this is where. So what is the correct answer? Is it 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 1 and 3, and 3 and 4? So the correct answer is 1 and 3. See, where work centers are placed in a row, this is pull or strip kitchen. And even third is correct. No work triangle really exists. Now, Rohit cannot visualize letters, has difficulty with basic sentence structure and poor grammatical awareness. Identify his disability. So it is clearly showing that he has dyslexia. Correct? So option B is correct. Next, which of the following would help a small room appear larger? Is it using dark color curtains and draperies, or is it using curtains and draperies with large patterns? C option is using curtains and draperies that blend with wall colors, and D is using heavy textured curtains and draperies. So the correct answer is using curtains and draperies that blend with the wall color. C. That's the correct answer. When the draperies or the curtains match with the wall colors, then a small room also appears larger. Example of a hygroscopic substance is oil, cumin, turmeric or salt. Write the correct answer quickly in the comment section. Yes, it is D, salt. A form of theatrical performance. Is it exhibition, conference, street play or seminar? Such a easy question. Street play. That's the only form of theatrical performance out here. Clothes suitable for summer are A. Dark colored clothes, B. Cool colored clothes, C. Light and cool colored clothes, and D is dashing and bright colored clothes. So what's the correct answer? Yes, it is C. Light and cool colored clothes. Let's go ahead. Rapid and large increase in numbers of a particular species is termed as, is it endangerment, sex ratio, population explosion or mortality? So it is population explosion. Such an obvious question. Now these are very important questions, assertion and reason based questions. So see the assertion. The assertion is cotton is ironed at 400 degree Fahrenheit. And the reason is because cotton is natural fiber made of cellulose, which possesses good heat resistance properties. Now you have to select out of these options. Okay. So read the options carefully, and the correct answer is A and R are true. दोनों ही true है, and R is the reasoning of A. So both the sentences are true, and this is the reason of why this is true. Okay, so A and R are true. So assertion and reasoning are true, and reasoning is R is the correct reasoning for A. Next, ironing temperature for woolen fabrics is it 200, 100, 400 or 150 degree Fahrenheit? So the correct answer is 100 degree Fahrenheit, B option. Next, only dash soaps are used to wash silk garments. Is it acidic, neutral, medicated or glycerine? So the correct answer is neutral. I will read the explanation for this because this is a typical question. Neutral pH soaps are neither acidic nor alkaline, which helps to prevent damage to the delicate silk fibers. Right? So neutral soaps are used. Now MNREGA 2005 focuses on what? To improve women's learning capacity, to deliver primary healthcare services, to improve the livelihood and security in rural areas, or to prevent the degradation of purity of environment. So the correct answer is yes, my dear students, it's C, to improve the livelihood and security in rural areas. So I'll just tell you the full form of that. Oh, wait, I'm not able to go back somehow. So I'll just write here what was, this was Mahatma Gandhi National MGN, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. Okay, now let's focus on the next question. Choose the correct pair. Now see this my dear students, see this part. Okay, so there are two columns, A sun drying, B convenience, C semi perishable and D perishable, and here you have potatoes, onions, yams, raisin chips, papad, meat, fish, chicken and peas, jam and jellies. So you have to select, okay, choose the correct pair. You have to match the following. So just take out some time to do this quickly. So if we say sun drying, so raisin chips and papad, okay, here sun drying method is used to preserve them. Now convenience, peas, jam and jellies. semi-perishable. Potatoes, onions, yams are semi-perishable, whereas meat, fish and chicken are perishable, right? So the correct answer becomes this. A is the correct answer. Let's go ahead. Audio-visual aid commonly found in the village is called a dash. Is it called a brochure, a nukkad natak, slideshow or flyers? So since it is audio and visual, it cannot be flyer and brochure. Okay, and it is found commonly in village, so it cannot be a slideshow. So the correct answer is nukkad natak. Right, let's move ahead. A good kitchen should have the following features. It should have dark colored interior, or it should have a dark colored interior, or no work triangle, or well ventilated and well lit, or have a western aspect. What's the correct answer? So the correct answer is obviously well ventilated and well lit. C is the correct answer, because this is the most important thing that is needed. Let's go ahead. Storage places in the kitchen should be. Now storage places should be damp or dry, clean and dry, or unhygienic and damp. This is such an easy question. It has to be clean and dry. Now roughage plays an important role in our diet. Okay. To promote brain development, or supply essential fatty acid, or repair tissues in the body, or prevent constipation. What is the correct answer? It prevents constipation. Let's go ahead. So that was your 20th question. So all our questions of answer 1. See, we have done question 1, okay, from section A, okay, of 2024 paper. Now question 1 contains 20 MCQs. We have done all those MCQs. In the next video, I'll take up question 2, where there are short questions. Okay, and all these questions I have taken from this particular book. Now this is an amazing book, because it covers a lot of subjects, and 10 years solved papers of all of these subjects. I'll just read out. It has English 1, English 2, History and Civics, Geography, Mathematics, Physics, Chemistry, Biology, Computer Applications, Physical Education, Economics, Economic Applications, Commercial Studies, Commercial Applications, Home Science, Environmental Science, and Hindi. And even out of the syllabus questions which were there earlier, okay, from the previous years, they are there in the book, but they are marked so that you can easily identify them. Okay, so that's overall a very good book, and highly recommended by Zenith Academy Online. So do subscribe to our channel and keep the learning always on Zenith Academy Online for your ICSE preparation. Bye bye my dear students.